Hello everyone, this is Fluff or the Tutorial Modeler. Today I have a painting slash weathering video for you guys. So I'm going to be weathering this flight deck that came with the Sweet's 1:144 scale kit of the A6M20, the review of which you can see in the tabs in the upper right corner. I hope you enjoy. 6 months ago I painted a model with Mr. Color Finishing Surfacer 1500 and Amos Paint New Wood. But I have no recording of that, so you'll have to trust me on that one. The elevator was painted in RLM 66, which I forgot at the time. Here are the paints and washes I'll be using for this model. I also really like to use milk bottle caps. They're thick, don't react to any thinner, and are all around a great tool to have around. I first started painting with Revell 88 ochre, but it wasn't long until I realized the surface was rather rough, so I gave the model a small wipe with a paper towel dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol. I wasn't quite sure ochre was the right shade I wanted to have, so I tried using Amos Paint New Wood mixed with RAL 8017. This turned out to be a mistake, as it created this really weird shade which really doesn't look like it belongs there. I returned to using ochre, but I diluted it a bit more. For lighter shades, I mixed New Wood with white. This created a very nice variation of shades which I quite like. I decided to try to use Amos dark brown wash for green vehicles as a medium for darker planks. I didn't gloss the surface so the wash could stick to the planks. It's important to dilute the wash as much as you can, as otherwise it will flow both into the holes between the planks and it will create two dark planks. This is the model after the wash. I quite like it and how the flight deck looks, and while it's not the best work ever, it's my first time doing this technique, so I get a pass. I apologize for bad filming shots in this segment. Afterwards, I decided to paint the rim of the elevator. I first started with Revell 378, but it didn't look quite right, so I tried with RLM 66 and it was the right shade. And this is the finished look. I glossed it with Mr. Color Super Clear and really went ham with the Tamiya accent black. The wash was cleaned with a Q-tip soaked in enamel thinner. But something looked off though. I realized I forgot to paint the white guidelines. Sweet does include decals for them, but we ain't pussies, we're gonna paint them. They thankfully include the distance for each line in millimeters, which is nice. I masked the area and painted the vines with Revell Aqua White. And I really couldn't leave you without showing the removal of the masking tape, it really does look satisfying. I punched the rivet marks with the tip of my tweezer so I don't have to use the wash again. To finish it off, I sprayed the whole thing with Ammo Matte Clear Coat. So this is the finished product. I quite like it as the different shades of planks really do give it a sense of scale and it gives the model more of a soul. You've seen how easy it is to make it and I would highly suggest that you give it a try as well. This is my first time and I think it looks awesome, to be honest. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. I know it's a bit different than usual and I think I did well. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.